guys, it's your girl IbbyInspired, and I am back with another review. As you guys can tell by today's title, we are going to be doing this review on this wig, Raca. Ooh, yes. You guys, I'm so excited because it's so cute and I've already gotten so many compliments on it. I'm just gonna be showing you guys what this wig entails and all the goodness and the badness about it. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to join that IbbyInspired fam bam. Aunties, uncles, cousins, everybody, you know I'm talking to you. We gotta all join that IbbyInspired fam bam. Everybody's invited to the cookout. Without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you guys the details on this wig. Again, the wig is called Raca. I think it's R-A-C-A, so I don't know if it's Raca or Raca, but I would pronounce it as Raca today, just to make things a little easier. And this is what the label looks like. So as you can see, the model is wearing almost like a white blonde ombre type color here, and I am wearing the color in 1B. So this again is called MLF326 Raca, and it comes in all types of colors. And this is a lace front Swiss lace wig. And then as you can see, there is the back, and you can see that it's a very loose curl. And I would say, it doesn't say how long it is here, but I would say it's about 20 inches. Curly, since it's a little wavy, it looks about 18 inches, but if you were to pull it down, it's about 20 inches. So if you guys are long hair chicas, such as myself, this is definitely the wig for you. Another thing about this wig is that, as I mentioned before, it is very, very loose curls. So I noticed that with some of my synthetic wigs, if they're curly and if you brush it out, it's all good, all fine and all dandy. But since it is synthetic and it automatically originally curls because that's just how it's made, it tends to revert back into the curl. So if you guys want just like loose waves, loose curls, and for it to stay like that for the day, this is definitely the wig. This is like a beach wave type thing going on here. So I'm gonna take off this wig, and you guys do not judge me. You know me, I always say it's 2019, we all gonna be nice to each other, so don't judge. Before I do take this off, maneuver my wig, as you can see here, it does have this parting space. It doesn't have a big parting space, and you know, I mean, a lot of synthetic wigs nowadays, I'm kind of used to like a 4x4 nice parting space, but this is one of the kind of, I don't want to say old school because this is not an old school type of wig, but this is more of just like a mid part. And these are one of the wigs that you can just shift to the left. See what it looks like to the left. Pretty cute still. Or you can shift it to the right. Okay, that's just sitting. I'm just gonna have to fix that, yeah. I decided to go in the center, and yeah, it's pretty banging. I think it's the effect, it gives it more beach type of vibes, type of girl next door look when it is in the middle, because then you can kind of like go like that, and you're still cute, sis. You are still cute. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna take off the wig. Okay, we still cute, we good. So I did not pluck or anything like that. I just went ahead, took some of my powder. I used that MAC Studio Fix in NW48, which is the shade that I'm wearing right now on my face. And I just dabbed some powder right in the center there. I did not put anything underneath. Normally I put some powder underneath, but since it's a small space, you don't really need to put powder underneath. This is what it looks like on the inside. As you can see, it has two combs in the front, and then it has a comb in the back, and then as always adjustable straps, which I normally don't touch unless I need to. When I put this on, because y'all, I have big head, So sometimes wigs, honestly, like will stop from here, dog. Like, oh, and also I did cut the lace. It was about 3 inches of lace, as always. So if you guys have a big head, it will work, but it's going to be like just fitting. Like when I say just fitting, I mean it's not going to be too tight where it's like, or too short, or it's not going to be too long. I'd rather it be too long because then you can fix your adjustable straps, but this is just like fitting on, which I think works for me because it doesn't, I mean it looks like it just fits. By the way, guys, this wig retails for $36.99, and I did get this off of Bobbi Boss. So Bobbi Boss has really cute wigs, really affordable wigs. Okay guys, so here are the goods and the bads with this wig. Goods. I love the curl. I love that it feels so soft. It's really, really soft, really silky. The color, the 1B color is really nice because sometimes 1B colors can be thrown off a little bit. It can look like a 2 or too much like a 1. I think this is a true self 1B color. And I've gotten so many compliments on this wig, and I've only worn it for one night, which is tonight. I only went out a couple of hours ago. I wore this and I already got compliments on it. So I love compliments. Who doesn't? I love the length. It's really, really pretty. And I really like this, the long spacing in the back. I really like a really deep space. I think it looks more natural. So I really like that. And I like that you can brush the wig and you can kind of play it down a little bit to make it look a little bit more conservative. As you can see, you can bring this back. Or if you're like at the beach going to a party, you can take the wig, which is like kind of more towards my style. You can take the wig, you can shake it out, and you're at the beach. Like, look at that. You can kind of bump this up. You can even take your brush and kind of tease it. And look how sexy that looks. I look like a Victoria's Secret model. Okay, I tried it. I don't, but hey, bads about this wig, guys. I'm gonna be 100% honest and give you the biggest negative about this wig and what may have stopped me from actually purchasing this wig in the first place, and that is the smell of this wig. You guys, the smell of this wig is so strong. And when I say smell of this wig, I don't mean that it stinks. It smells funny. So do you guys remember back in the day when you used to like go to the club, or even today when you go to the club and you're using your curling iron or your straightener and you're getting that burning hair smell? This is the smell, and it's very strong and very pungent. Now, I did try using some spray, like leave-in conditioner, and it did die the smell down a little bit, but it's just there. So you guys know that it's hair. It's not like your feet, or it's not on your legs. It's actually like on your head. So the fact that like it's right there in front of your face, it's really an issue. So you guys, I have a strong nose, and I know this. I actually went out today, as I said earlier. I went out with my wig, and my sister was about 3 feet away from me, and she could smell my wig. So that was pretty strong. That was before I put on the leave-in conditioner, because I thought it was just me because it was on my head, but she was able to smell my wig. And then I went out with my friend on the way, and she said it smelled like I was straightening or curling my hair. So it's not necessarily a bad thing to smell like that, but it's a little too strong for me personally, and obviously for the people that have encountered the wig as well. As I said, I got this from Bobbi Boss, and I think I've gotten a wig or two from Bobbi Boss in the past, and I have not smelled any of the wigs like this. Like it hasn't smelled like this at all. So I don't know if it's this wig in particular. I do have another wig that I ordered from Bobbi Boss along with this wig. I will be doing a review on it, so stay tuned for that, and I will let you guys know if it smells the same way. So maybe it's just the factory that it came out of or whatever the case was, but I do want to let you guys know that it does have a smell to it. So back to positives, I'm not experiencing any shedding at all. Normally with synthetic wigs, you get a lot of shedding, and maybe because this is brand new, but you know, some wigs you do get brand new and they do shed a lot. So overall, guys, I would definitely give this wig a pretty yes, okay, good rating, with the exception of the smell. I really do like this wig. I'm planning on maybe washing it and maybe getting a different product for the hair so that it can kind of cover up the odor. And yeah, I'll let you guys know. I'll keep you guys updated about the wig. If you guys want to see more reviews on wigs such as this one, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to the IbbyInspired Fam Bam to become a part of that IbbyInspired cookout. Yes. Thank you guys again so much for watching. I love you all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Go ahead, sis. It's right here. It's right there.